In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Expensify. If you've been managing your expenses using Expensify, you might have encountered a situation where you no longer require a particular workspace. Whether you're restructuring your teams, simplifying your dashboard, or winding up a project, removing unnecessary workspaces can help keep your Expensify account neat and efficient. Let's dive into the straightforward steps to get this done. First, you'll need to land on your main dashboard in Expensify. When you log in, this is typically the first screen you see, where you can access all your workspaces, reports, and expenses. It's like your command center from where you can navigate to any specific function. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard if you aren't already, as this will make the process smoother. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This area usually contains various options related to settings and navigation. Here, you'll find a menu that allows you to manage your account and workspaces. Searching for these options in the beginning might take a bit of time, but don't worry, it gets a lot simpler with practice. Next up, you'll want to click on the More button. The More button is typically represented by an ellipsis, a set of 3 dots that opens up additional options that are nested under your primary choices. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down, or a set of extra actions relevant to your workspace management. After you've opened the extended menu, look for the option labeled Delete. This is the command that enables you to remove a workspace. Selecting Delete might feel like a significant step, so ensure this is what you intend to do, as this action cannot be easily undone. Remember, clearing a workspace will eliminate all records associated within it, so make sure you've backed up anything important before proceeding. When you click Delete, the system prompts you with a confirmation message. This is a safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. You'll see a dialog box asking if you're sure you want to delete the workspace. It's always a good idea to double-check everything at this stage. Make sure you've reviewed all your data and selected the correct workspace for deletion. If you're certain you're ready to proceed, click to confirm, and the workspace will be removed from your dashboard. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Expensify. Performing this action clears up your dashboard and hopefully makes your workflow more manageable. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have further questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.